In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Discord on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings. And on System Settings, you want to go to Internet, and then you want to go to Internet Settings. Then you're gonna choose the Wi-Fi, and you're going to click on Change Settings. Then what we're going to do is we're going to DNS settings, and we're going to change it from automatic. We're going to change it to manual. And guys, it should say 000.000.000.000, and we're going to change it to this 045.055.142.122. Then we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to click on Save. Then the next step is we're going to click on Connect to this network. We're going to click on OK. And then we're going to choose the first one, go to Google. And in Google, we're going to type in Discord. And we're going to click on Done, and we're going to click on OK. And right here it says discord.com. We're going to click on it. And yes, guys, this is how you get Discord on the Nintendo Switch.